A number of the nation's high school athletes who did well at the boys and girls championships, as well as the Carifta Games, are now turning their attention to the Penn relays in Philadelphia later this week, looking to continue their rich vein of form. Here's Denise Walters.
Among the athletes looking to carry through on their successful season so far is national discus junior record holder Joseph Salmon of Jamaica College. Salmon was among the record breakers at Champs, smashing the 15-year Class 1 discus record with a throw of 67.55 meters. Now, after leaving the Carifta Games with gold in the under-20 discus and silver in the shot put, he is hungry for more success and looking to better his silver medal from last year at Penn's.
I'm really excited to go to Penn Relays and compete against those Americans. They can compete, and I really can compete as well.
Another Champs record breaker, Jason Pitter, set tongues wagging when he smashed Christopher Taylor's 10-year Class 2 400 meters record, lowering it from 46.33 to 45.76. And after leaving the Carifta Games with the 2 gold medals, Pitter, who will be a member of Kingston College's 4x400 meters relay team, is looking forward to competing at the Relay Carnival.
I just try to stay focused, try the best of my ability to execute and do my best. So I give God thanks for the opportunity.
Sanjay Seymour is also having a good season despite false starting in the under-20 100 meters at Carifta. However, he didn't leave the games empty-handed as he won gold in the under-20 200 meters and picked up silver in the sprint relays to go along with the Class 1 200 meters gold medal he won at Champs. Seymour is set to line up in the boys 4x100 meters and 4x400 meters for William Knibb.
When you do this track and field stuff, you have to have a mental toughness about it because, you get down, but you have to come up back as quick as possible because if you get down too much, you draw down your emotions, everything, and then you cannot get up back.
The Penn Relays will run from Thursday, April 23 to Saturday, April 25. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.